and profitable blog step by step. Now if you see at the top, obviously we have the header and navbar. After that we have a call to action section. Okay, so the first section is actually a call to action section. Then after that we have few posts, blog post, podcast, you can put anything over here. Then we have some few more call to actions, and after that at the bottom you have this email marketing stuff over here, and then we have the footer. So I have also created a very similar design. Now from here click on this install now button. Now here you have to select the domain name on which you want to install WordPress. So for most of you guys, you would see only one domain name, but because I am using TMD for quite a long time and I have created many different websites using it, so I'm seeing many different domain names over here. And from here you can make sure you select this HTTPS one, okay, so that you get this beautiful secure socket at the top. There are two options, simple HTTP and the other one is HTTPS with the extension S. So select that one. And in directory, this thing WP is typed in, delete that and make sure this thing is empty. After that, you can give a name and description to your website. For example, you can name it anything. So I'm naming it BlogDude actually. Okay. And you can type a description about your website, about your company, or you can type the tagline of your website or your company. So I'll simply type in okay, let me type this simple thing, blog tutorial. Alright, now after that we have some more things. Here we have to change the username and password. So make sure to change this thing. Okay, this will secure your website. Don't leave it to admin and pass. That is really dangerous. Okay, so you can put in your username and password over here, and after that make sure to put in your email address over here. Then go at the bottom and click on install. So WordPress is getting installed on your website. It will take few seconds, don't worry, as I said you earlier. Now you get two different links. The first link is simply your website link, and the second link is the admin URL or the dashboard link. So let's open both the links in two different windows, and let's cut this thing and this thing from here. Alright, so first of all, this is our dashboard. This is the place from where we will control everything that happens on our website. Beautiful like this one. Okay, so for this we have to install another theme. First, let's delete all these themes. These are not necessary. We are not going to use them. So we don't need them over here. Now click on add new, and the great thing, as I've said you earlier, is that we'll be using a free theme. Okay. And it's a very famous, very reliable theme. Simply type in Ocean WP over here. Now this is the theme that we have to install, Ocean WP. Simply click on this install button. It will start installing. Once it is installed, we have to activate the theme. Alright, now let's activate this. Okay, so as soon as you install and activate the theme, you'll get a notice which says this theme recommends this following plugins. Simply click on begin installing plugins and tick mark all those things and click on install. It will bulk install all the three plugins from here. Okay, so we can click on return to dashboard. Alright guys, so if you now go to your website and refresh it, you'll see now we have a plain, very simple website, but still it looks bad. It is not that good. We want to create something like this. Okay. Now if you see over here at the top, as soon as the post starts, first let me pause this thing. If you see over here, as soon as the post starts, you will see that two links over here just at the beginning of the post. Okay, provide a link so that they can simply click on over here and they can purchase this product from here. So that really makes it easy. And this is what is called affiliate marketing. The product, in simple words, affiliate marketing is something that a person like me, for example, this is my website. I am selling someone else's product. For example, Dell XPS is obviously not my product. It is Dell's product. Or if it is listed on Amazon, then it is Amazon's product. So I'm selling someone else's product. And if you click on this link, if you purchase that product, then I'll get a commission on that. Okay, so suppose the commission on electronics is maybe 10%. So if the price is $1,000, then I can get $100 commission, which is really amazing. So okay, so let me explain how you can use these links to generate some sales. Okay, so this is related to affiliate marketing. So they are the biggest player in affiliate marketing are obviously the e-commerce giants like Amazon and Flipkart. They pay out millions and millions of dollars to their affiliates. Now obviously we see, most of us, I guess every one of us, we see those tech videos on YouTube, Linus, Marcus and all those people. Okay, so you'll see they review a product and they give the link in the video description below. So all those are affiliate links. They generate a heck lot of money from those links. Okay, millions of dollars, literally millions of dollars. Okay, and that is how it works. I don't say it is wrong or anything like that. It is totally fine. It is good. No one is losing anything. Okay, so I don't think there is anything wrong with that. So if you want to sign up with any affiliate program, obviously you can simply go to Google and type in for their affiliate program. For example, if you want to sign up with a Flipkart affiliate, you can simply type in Flipkart affiliate. You'll see this link, affiliate.flipkart.com. Open this one. Now because I'm already logged in, I'm directly seeing the dashboard. If you're not, you have to first create an account or register an account. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, especially Amazon affiliate marketing, how to create a website specifically for Amazon affiliate, then you can go to YouTube again, type in Nayyar Sheikh Amazon affiliate. You'll get that video. Now as you can see, this looks amazing. Now here, whenever you view any post, it will say blog. If you want to display the title of the page instead of blog, which I would highly recommend you to do, you can simply select post title from here, page header title, select post title. So this will be good for SEO purposes, and also people will see, okay, so this is the title of the page. Then after that, if you see, when we scroll down, now because we have this thing over here, we don't need it over here. Okay, we don't need this featured image over here. So it's really simple. What you can do is you can simply hide this thing. So when you scroll down, you'll see this featured image. Click on this I button, it will hide this featured image. Okay, so featured image is gone. Now similarly, if you want to hide some more things, for example, we have this leave a reply thing. If you want, you can hide this thing, comments, you can hide the related post. We have just one post. That's why we don't see any other post. These are different tags. As you can see, if you want to hide the tags, you can simply click on this I button, it will hide it. I don't recommend that. I would just recommend you to hide one featured image, nothing else. Okay, so once you're done with that, first click on publish. So the basic designing is done. Now let's change the typography because this is really looking bad. This one is looking so much neat and so much better. So let's change the design from here, the typography from here. So click on this back button and click on typography, and from here select body, I guess. Yeah, here it is. Select body, font family, type in Montserrat, Montserrat. You can see this spelling over here. Now as you can see, everything is changed to Montserrat, and this looks so much better and so much beautiful. Now scroll down, you'll see this font color is light gray, which is looking very bad. I want this to be black, so I'll select this font color and select black. Now this is looking much better. Also, I want to increase this size. Instead of 14, I want to make it 16. Now this is looking much neat and cleaner. Okay, as you can see, looking way more better. So let's click on publish, and after that we can simply click on this X button to cancel this thing. Alright, now as you can see, this is looking very much better now. Okay, so we are done with the first post, and similarly you can create unlimited number of posts. Now first of all, you have to make sure that this website is added, whatever website you want to display ads on. So you can simply go to settings, and under here you'll see my sites. Click on my sites, and you'll see I have two websites. Under Nayyar Sheikh, I have this domain name added. If you don't have this added, you can simply click on this plus button, paste in the URL, click on add site. I already have this website added, so I won't do that. but make sure you do these things so that ads start appearing on your website. Okay, so I can cancel this. Now you can go to ads, click on my ads, click on add units. Now you can create a new unit or you can simply use the existing one. Okay, so as you can see, I have two over here. You can create a new unit, so I can click on over here. Now the type of ad you want, so text and display feeds ads, which is the normal ad that you see, matched content, in feed ad. Now this will display between your post, okay, in article ads, all those things. So I'm selecting this simple one, text and display ads. You can give it a name, so I can just type in text ads, okay, and make sure the responsive thing is selected so that it will be responsive according to whether it is viewed on a mobile phone, on a tablet, or on a desktop, and it will automatically resize itself. So you can save all these things and click on save and get code. Okay, now you'll get this code over here. Now these ads are not instantly activated. Okay, so if I copy this, paste it over here, ads will not start showing on my website. It takes some time, around 24 hours, and after 24 hours it will start displaying on our website. Okay, first they will verify this. So first let me close this thing. I already have a ad, very similar thing, and as you can see, the status is active. So I can use this one. So I'll click on get code. Now I can copy this code from here, and instead of pasting here and there, I can paste it under block 1. Now as you can see, there are many different blocks that we can use to display different ads on different places. Now we can control everything from here. Now first of all, where do you want to display these ads? Okay, so I want to display on category pages, tags, search pages, okay, and don't do anything over here. So I want to display on every single page. Now click on manual. You'll get some more options. Okay, so I want this add option in widget. I also want this option to use shortcodes. Okay, so I don't have to actually paste this code here and there. I can simply paste this shortcode. Wherever I paste this shortcode, this ad will start displaying. Okay, I also want to enable the PHP function. Now make these settings, click on save and save all settings. Now let me show you one thing. Now where do you want to display your ads? There are more options. For example, if you want to disable ads on specific devices, you can select this device. You can enable or disable from here. Okay, so it's all up to you. Now click on list. Okay, and here you have automatic insertion. Instead of this, you can select where do you want to display. So suppose I want to display this ad before post. Okay, so before every single post, I want this thing to display. Okay, or before content you can select. So I basically recommend selecting before content. Okay, so let me do all these things and let me click on save all settings. Now let me go to my website. Let me refresh this. Let me open a post. Alright, let us wait. Now as you can see, the ad has started appearing, and this is just before the content. As you can see, if you selected before post, it would display over here. I think this is a much better location. Now if you want to display ads on your sidebar, you don't have to again copy and paste everything, because we have selected this widget option. We'll get an option in the widget, and remember this is block 1. Okay, so let's do one thing, hover appearances and click on widgets. Now what we can do, we'll see an option. Here it is, add inserter. Select this, click on add widget. Now make sure block 1 is selected. Bring it just above this thing, search. Okay, come again over here. Let's refresh this page.